At some point in the next 12 months, one of your board members is going to ask you a question about your heat network. It may come from a resident complaint that escalated. It may come from a news story. It may come from another board member who read something over the weekend. However it arrives, the question will essentially be the same. Are we authorised to operate our heat network? And do we have the policies to back it up? If you can't answer that with confidence today, you're not alone. But the window to get ahead of it is closing. Here's the context. If you haven't already been drawn into it, Ofgem now regulates heat networks. This isn't a consultation or a proposal, it's in force. As a heat network operator, your organisation needs authorisation to continue operating. And that authorisation requires you to have evidence compliance with over 40 authorisation conditions, covering how you bill your residents, how you handle complaints, how you protect vulnerable customers, how you communicate, and how you manage the financial resilience of your network. Heat network operation has never been a core function for organisations like yours. You've managed it alongside everything else, without a formal regulatory framework to work to. That changes the nature of what's now been asked of you. When operators realise the scale of what's required, most consider one of two options: doing it themselves or instructing a solicitor. Both are understandable instincts. Neither is the right tool for this job. Building a 45-document compliance policy suite in-house means your team spending weeks interpreting regulatory conditions they weren't trained for, without any assurance that the output actually meets Ofgem's expectations. Instructing a lawyer gets you legal advice, valuable but at significant cost, and lawyers don't generate operational policy documents. You'll still have to write them. Heat network compliance was built specifically to fill that gap. It generates your complete authorization-ready documentation through a guided process that is specific to your organisation and your schemes. You're not starting from a blank page, you're not guessing at what Ofgem expects, and you're not paying solicitor rates for something a purpose-built platform can do more accurately and in a fraction of the time. The organisations that move now will be in a fundamentally stronger position than those who move under pressure later. I'd welcome the chance to show you how it works. 20 minutes of your time is all it takes to know whether this is the right fit for your organisation. My contact details are on the screen. Please get in touch.